Welcome back to Teach Me Something YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use waterproof ultrasonic sensor model number A02YYUW with ESP32 development board. Here I used software serial. So library need to install for that. Use ESP soft serial library. Or you can use hardware serial also. Ultrasonic sensor will communicate with 9600 baud rate only. Use ESP32 board version as 2.0.17. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board. After uploading, open the serial monitor and choose the correct baud rate which is given program.